I'm Danielle with WTI, and I invite you to sit back and relax and watch me do my press-on nails while I brag about this awesome gel glue from Gela. My favorite thing about this glue is the consistency. The last thing you want your gel to do is to run everywhere you put the nail on, but this is right in that sweet spot of not too runny, but not too thick. In fact, it even held the nail in place for a few seconds long enough that I can clean any spills before curing. Because of this, if you're a beginner or a pro, this glue is a great option. It really was so easy to work with and it helped me get my nails done fast. I'm talking under 5 minutes. I also love the precision tip, which helps to get that gel exactly where it needs to go. You don't even need a brush. And unlike some other squeeze bottles that are a struggle to get the product out, I'm talking building muscles kind of struggle, this did not take much effort at all. It's a small thing, but I really appreciated that. I had no issues with curing. It took the usual 60 seconds, and once they were done, they felt so strong and secure. I don't think these are going anywhere, but of course, it's all in the prep, so I highly recommend taking your time prepping your nails, and this gel will not disappoint. This is definitely a keeper and a winner in my book. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.